All right, so hypothesis testing. I'm going to go through a couple of these. Some of these are newer topics that I've never done in ALEKS before. Like I just got into ALEKS. So if I make any mistakes, just bear with me. I appreciate it. All right, going through the first one. This is a new one, so I'll do it. At a nearby college, there is a school-sponsored website that matches people looking for roommates. According to the school's report, 36%. Sorry, I want to double check my microphone was on. Apologize. According to the school's report, 36% of students will find a match for the first time using the site. A writer for the school newspapers tested the claim by choosing a random sample of 165 students who visited the site looking for a roommate. Of the students surveyed, 51 said they found a match. Complete the parts below to perform the hypothesis test to see if there's enough evidence at the 0.10 significance level to reject the claim that the proportion P of all students will find a match their first time using it. Okay, so we want to know how many students use this website. They say it's 36%. We say, I don't know if it's quite 36%. We want to see if it's something different than that. So the first thing you have to figure out is what are we testing here? Okay, so they say that the population is equal to 36%. See, I've already a new problem. I'm trying to remember if I use p hat or not. We are trying to figure out if it is 0.36 or not. According to the school's report, 36%. So the school says 36%. We are trying to figure out if there is enough evidence to actually say that it is 36%. So I believe we are just going to do different then. We're going to say it's something different, so we do not equal to 0.36. I do not see the word greater than, less than, or anything like that. So the first one you do here is always going to be equal. The next one is always going to be less than, greater than, or not equal to. So we can't go ask everybody at school. So what we do is we go to a sample of 165 people and get how many they used it. Again, the problem is the first one, the null hypothesis, the H sub 0, H naught, is going to be always equal on these problems. The H1, the alternate hypothesis, you have to read the problem to figure out if it's less than, greater than, or not equal to. So for part B, we got to see, can we do a z-test? And you do that by the amount of people that we're testing here. So our N is how many total people we test. We tested 165. And then we take this times our P, which is 0.36. So that's 59.4. All right. The 1 minus P, you'll see this in the formula. You'll see this a bunch. But go ahead and figure this out because the P for this is 36%. Dang it. I got to do this. I got to start over. Dang it.